Hello everyone and welcome back to Gold Mining Simulator. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of work with the um, landslide area. So we're going to run across here the bridge. We got the water pump going. The generator will kick on over here. I do have it set up and ready to go. There's already the large excavator over here, not the huge one. And I shouldn't have a problem with getting water this far. Let's see. A long little run here. I should have brought the truck over here and parked it over there. But what I should do is I should drive back over, advance like 2 hours, and then come back over here. Alright, so the generator's right here. We're going to go ahead and turn that thing on. Other side. And then this thing is filled to 100% because I was just practicing with it. So we can go ahead and turn this on. We already have a bucket there. We got a bunch of buckets in the back of the truck. And this thing will start working pay dirt. Don't have water. Alright, hold on a second. Let's see. The water goes to there. Is it not connected? Do I need another pump in the middle somewhere? Says it has water. And then it says minus 427 feet. Well, that's 109. Everything says it has water until I turn it on. I wonder how I'm going to do this then. I saw someone jump off the cliff with a hose. Maybe we'll try that. I'm gonna leave this excess hoses lined out though. So it'd be 3, yeah, that's probably about the right amount of distance too. Alright, let's go ahead and turn this thing off. Disconnect this. Disconnect this. Run this over here. I knew I should have brought the truck over here with me. It's got a bunch of buckets in the back of it though, so that's fine. I mean, there's a little puddle over there in the thing, but it won't last long. And then we run out of water in that. I somehow need to get down into that water. And I don't think I can do it around here. But what I did see someone do in a video was they jumped off the cliff right in here. So let's put this here. Let's grab the end of this hose, which should be right here. I don't think I have a spare hose over here, do I? No, I don't. Which one says out? This one? Yes, this one. And then we'll grab one more hose. Unfortunately, we gotta roll it up. What a pain in the butt this is. I hate it when things go wrong. Now, I believe that I have the fast travel point for this already unlocked, but I'm going to make sure real quick, in case jumping down there kicks me back to like Haynes or something. Alright. Because I don't have no vehicle over there, I don't want to buy another one. Alright, so if we just connect this to that and then run and jump, hopefully this will work. Alright, you float down to Haynes, yeah, okay, blah blah blah. Let's jump to the truck. Hop out, see if we got water coming up. Nope, no water yet. Did it make it down there? No. But if I grab it from this end, now, come over here and go, did that fall in? Looks like it fell in. Let's try that. No. Oh crap. I don't want to fall. I didn't fall in the water there. Damn it. I wasn't even close to touching the water. This thing. I just want to get down right to here without actually falling in the water so I can grab that thing. Nope, it won't even let me down there. So I'm going to have to roll it back up and try something different, I guess. I don't know. But that is what I saw someone do, and it worked. I think he jumped off more that direction, though. Because I remember seeing that little rusted up thing right there. Come up here. Come up here. Really? It's not going to come up here now? And now it fell down all the way. Sweet. Okay, so... what to do? What to do? I guess I'll have to use the little pond for now. Or get more than one water pump. I'm not sure. But for right now, I'm going to use the little pond that's up here. I know it's going to run out fast, but I don't know what else to do. I don't know that getting more pumps is going to help either. Let's see, I don't think I can even go down here, can I? Yeah, no. It's a visible wall there. I tried over here, it's a visible wall there. I tried down at the end over here, it's a visible wall. That's like the only place you can put in the hose is right there. And as you saw, trying to roll it up, it got stuck, so not quite sure what to do there. But we can do this. Click on that. We'll run over here real quick, past all the big rocks that we moved out of the way. And we have water right here. Not much, just a little bit. Hopefully that'll work for long enough to get a couple buckets out of this. Yep, it's showing water. Let's fire it up. Now it shouldn't be a problem. There we go. Oh, the things we do sometimes. Alright. Let's fire this thing up. Put into digging mode. Let's do a different view though. How about, let's try a cab view. It's a little dirty, but whatever. Really? I can't get it to do anything? There we go. And that's way out there. Alright, that view's not going to work. Let's try this one. It doesn't take much to load this thing up and fill it up pretty quick. So we'll get a couple buckets out of this and go from there. I do have to watch the bucket, how much it's filling though. I think it's the same as the other one, 50% or it overfills it. Let's try 40%, I want to see. Okay, so yeah, if I'm at 60, that should be okay. little slower mining process than we're normally used to, but like I said, I wanted to check out the DLC a little bit, and I don't think I got all of that one in there. I should have went to a deeper spot on the claim too. Been a whole lot easier for digging purposes. A little too full on that last one. So let's get it to like 55, I guess, maybe, and then we'll dump. I didn't get much in that one. That's a full load. 55. Alright, yeah, we'll do work with 50% then. Let's see. Let's stretch out there a little ways. Yeah. Watch the teeth, watch the teeth. I think the next episode we're going to rebuild the bridge and go to the Marshlands. I think that'll be more fun to work with. Not quite sure how we get back to the regular mining site though, because it looks like it's blocked off. I did grab some dynamite, so we can go check that out and see if we just blow the rocks out of the way. Because I need to take this mobile wash plant over to the Marshlands anyway. I don't know if that helps or not. Hard to say. Why don't we shut this off? We'll jump out of here real quick. Let that stuff run through. Take the truck over. Why is this door not closed? So take the truck over. Bump the hours ahead a couple hours. And look to see if this big dynamite I have in the back here can blow up those rocks for the actual dig site. Man, I'm all over the place. Do not hit signs. So the normal dig site is like right over here somewhere. There we go. Turn that off. Where's my big dynamite? Is that that? Let's just open it up. There's a big dynamite. Yeah, can't get to it from here. Can't jump around it, so it's got to be blown from the other side somehow. I just don't know how. So let's see if we can find a trail over there somewhere. Oh, this side's blocked off too. I wonder if we have to go across that side first. I don't know, because it doesn't make sense. The dig site is back that way. You can see the water tower sticking up there. Can I come up? Can I go up? No, I can't go up any further. So why can't I blow these rocks out of the way? Let's just try one of the big diamonds, see what happens. Maybe it'll work. I want to set it. That's not setting it. Damn it. How do I do this? I can't jump up on there. Yeah, because when I saw it, the guy had an actual like placement spots to put it. So I'll have to maybe figure that out later. And where's the trailer at? Trailer's right there. Let's get a couple hours so the sun gets above that hill over there, because, yeah. Let's just go 3. Almost clicked dawn. Water source is dried up and no more is flowing. Hopefully that's not the pond over here. Because if it's the pond, we're kind of screwed. I hope it's not this pond over here. If it is, I'm going to have to round everything up and work on building a bridge instead. Yep, there's no water coming to that. Damn it. Maybe if I move it around a different spot. And there's still water here, so I don't see how it's dried up. Yeah, we have no water. So, this thing's done. We got 3/4 of a bucket of concentrate. I'm going to need a hose and the water pump. Well, this just puts a wrench in my works for today. Turn off. Grab this. I'm going to go ahead and grab this too. Because why the hell not? It's one of those days where everything can go wrong. That's what it feels like. So we're going to need the mobile wash plant when we go to Marshlands. So what I'm going to try to do is I think I'm going to try to get it all, everything put together, ready to go, except for building the, what do you call it, come on, fall over, there we go, the bridge. And then after that, we'll be ready to go on the next episode. I'm just going to clean everything up here, get over there. With most of the things we need, I'm probably going to find I need something else. Like diesel fuel or some stuff. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it clean. I'm irritated right now though, because for some reason it's just not going well today. I'd like to dig this out at some point, but I'm not sure if this is the proper way to do it. Maybe we'll do a dump truck and take it over with a huge excavator and a dump truck. I need to line up straight. Should be close. Nope, not even close. Damn it, push the wrong button. Stop moving. Hook up. You, go back in there. And we'll just kind of try not to drive this off the cliff. Alright, so everything's picked up out of the landslide area. Obviously I can't figure out the water problem, so I'm not quite sure what to do there. I'll get the rest of this stuff wound up later. There's still a hose extender back there too. But for right now, this is going to park right here. And I'm going to go back to the excavator, start it up, line it up, and drive. Because I have to go back across that bridge. I already came across it once. So, I'll see you over there. So, I was going to scrap this whole video idea, and then I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead and try to make this bridge work. So, I'm going to try to get one of these pieces lifted up here. I've seen everybody have problems with them. I don't know how well this is going to work. Gotta move forward a little bit, maybe. Get it to pick up. There we go. Alright, let's try that. As long as it doesn't get caught on that thing. I'm getting it out slowly. So the idea is to take this over here and drop it over there on the bridge thing and make a new bridge. And then we got to come through and put side rails on it, I think. But I think it takes 3 of these, and then I got to put a bunch of side rails in. So let's just work on this first. I don't even know if I'll be able to take the excavator across after I get it over here. I'm trying to get it off the sign right now. There we go. And it snaps into place. Okay, so looks like 3 more to go. 2 more to go to these. I only bought 2 to start with. And I don't know if you have to have the rails to go across it. I'm going to try it without first, I think. We'll see. I'm not quite sure yet. Alright, so that should be close. Let's go ahead and just bucket down. I should be able to make that work. Because we'll just do like this. And the rain finally stopped. Yay! Oh, and while I was paused, the water source filled up and started working again. So we would have just waited like half an hour. Let's see about getting this piece out of here. So this is the problem I've seen everybody have, is right on these little pegs here, and it's snapping lines. So I'm trying to be kind of careful doing that part. Gingerly take it off of there and kind of work past. Alright, let's see if we can get this one lined up. I can't really go up any higher. Yeah. See? And now you hooked on that thing. Am I hook on that one too? No, okay. So now the sign's in the way. I've also seen someone push it with a truck to make it work. I don't know how that would actually work in real life, but you know, hey, it's a video game. Alright, that's done. We need 1 more. And I think we can drive across it. I don't know if we have to have handrails to drive across. We'll find out here in a minute. Alright, so let's go ahead and purchase 1 more floor piece. Confirm. Get back over here and hook it up. Okay. Get this puppy over here. Close to where I need it to be. Switch to excavator mode, lower it down. Should be good. This is a saving spike lag. Give me that back. And since that one's right on top, I don't have to worry about reconnecting it. I'll just go ahead and do it that way. That's as far up as I can take it. If I can get past, just put backing up. Will it pick it up and over the top? No, probably not, huh? Alright, we'll swing it this way first. I just need it to come out, and then I can swivel it how I want. There we go. Now on this one, I have to have a more straight shot to get past the sign and actually be able to get on the bridge to get it back to the very end. But hopefully, all we got to do is get it over here, and then we can continue across. Yeah, if I put railings on there, I'm not going to make it through this thing anyway. No way. Alright, so now that we're over here, I don't know where I need to go, so I'm going to go ahead and jump out real quick and look both directions, because I'm pretty sure this is the way you need to go to blow up the rocks for the other section. This might be the pond part too. Yeah, this is where the pond's at. You gotta pump all that water out. But how do I get back over there? A little, like village back here? Kinda? Yeah, because I need to get over there to use the dynamite. I don't see a boat anywhere. Oh, here we go. Can I get in it? No. That sucks. You gotta tell me we're gonna build another. Order what? What do I need to order here? More floor pieces. So I need to build another bridge to get over there, don't I? Yep, that's what I need to do. Alright, so I'm gonna do that real quick. We're gonna bring the excavator back here. I'm gonna get the 3 floor pieces ordered. And build this bridge too. So we can take the truck back there and blow up the we can jump to the excavator now, can't we? Yeah. Alright, so let's go back here. And blow up those rocks. I may have to, I think it's a 6 placement thing, so I may have to drive back around and grab more dynamite. But since I need this back here anyway, I might as well just bring it back with the chains up and get those pieces done real quick. So I'll see you when I'm putting the first piece in. I've watched quite a few videos of people working with these things, and they all just seem to have problems with them. And so far, knock on wood, all of mine have gone in pretty easy. So I'm hoping they continue to stay that way. Throw my bucket back in.